This is the Sacker Mini Electric Chainsaw, and it's a 4-inch portable cordless electric chainsaw. And I have a lot of things that need to be, branches and shrubs that need to be cut down. So I got this actually last year and I never really used it, but I'm going to just see what it's like and put it together and see how well it works. So I have the adapter here. We have some tools. And we have, this must be the battery. And we also have the main body of the saw. Look at that. We also have some oil here and the instructions. So let's see. I'll take the plastic off. All right, so this is what it looks like. Oh, and it's pretty much together already. I thought that I had to put it together, but look at that. That is so good. Wow, and it's heavy, it's durable. Look at that. Wow. Quite impressed. So they say in the box that it has these different pieces, and yes, it came with every single one of these pieces. And step 1, install the guide plate, install the chain into the sprocket, pay attention to the directions of the chain knife, tighten the screws with a wrench, and install the battery. The installation. So it's 3 steps here. I'm going to do that, and we'll see how simple that is, because it pretty much looks like it's already put together for you, that there isn't much to do. Whatever it is, it's pretty much already there. So that's what I'm hoping, that I don't have much to do. Just get started. The product's selling point: rechargeable electric chainsaw. The Sacker Mini Chainsaw is equipped with a 20-volt rechargeable lithium battery, which can be used for a long time, charging at any time, convenient and fast. It's lightweight and portable. The Sacker Mini Chainsaw weighs only 1.1 kg, including battery. It can be used with one hand, and it is not easy to get tired after long-term use. It is very suitable for family and temporary work. Even the elderly can easily control it. Easy to carry, small and convenient, quick and easy to assemble. Just need 1 minute for all install. Strong dynamic system. Sacker Mini Chainsaw adapts a high-quality guide chain that has undergone a deep quenching process to ensure smooth cutting. In addition, a pure copper motor is used, which is very powerful. Cutting efficiency is higher and faster. And so it has all of the different parts. And I did not have to do much with step 1 because the chain is already installed for me. So that has really made it easy so far. And I'm just waiting for the battery to charge, and then we will use it. I used the saw, the handheld saw, to cut this piece, and that is what it did. Such a nice clean cut, and this is what it was up like this. I wish I was able to capture it, but I was just in such a hurry to try it, and I'm using my phone. So this is what it did. Look at that. It did work. I'm going to give some more video when I am able to get someone to help me. But I just wanted you to see that it did work. And I've been trying to get rid of this stump, this piece here, for a long time. And that's what it looks like. And then I have one on the other side. And you can see that each year I try to cut it back, and it was just getting larger and larger still. And over here is where the other piece was, right here. And this is what I was able to cut off. This one was a little bit more thicker, but yet it still got the job done. And I think it's because of the angle in which I had started. Otherwise, I would have gotten a much cleaner cut like that. But I am just so happy. I've been wanting to do that with this bed for the longest, to get rid of that stump. So now when you look at the bed, now when I look on this bed, I don't have those pieces there to worry about. And instead now I have this nice clean look. So when the alliums come up and the other plants come up, that those two trees that I've been trying to get rid of will not be hindering my bed. And I'm able to see now the rhododendron and the hydrangea bush much more clearly. So it's a wonderful tool. And I'm going to show more videos about it, but I was just so excited to get started using it. Thank you.